guys, welcome back to my channel Bongnitic, and I'm Pallavi Das with you guys. So welcome back to my channel guys, and if you're new here then hi, I'm Pallavi Das and this is my channel and I make videos on makeup tutorials, reviews, vlogs, DIYs. So if you're interested in any of these then do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon beside it so do not miss any video guys. So guys, today as you can see I am barefaced. That means this is going to be skincare review. So today I'm going to review, this is again a quite hyped product, which is the Watermelon Glow Mask from the Plunge range of O3 Plus. So this is a really hyped product, so I thought to try it on, and I did really tried it for almost 2 months almost. Like I was mixing and matching using this because this is a hydrating mask. So I use this like twice a month because I do not need so much of hydration because I'm already an oily skin person. So this is a hydrating mask, and if you want to see the detailed review then keep on watching. So guys, I hope the demo was helpful for you, and you can see the glow on my face due to this mask, and also I just put some toner and serum, so you can see the beautiful glow. And yeah, so let's begin with the review. So as I start is outer packaging and then packaging, then the product. So this is the outer packaging. It's quite a big box, and it's written over here Plunge USA Watermelon Glow Mask. So this is for brightening and hydration. I'm not talking about the brightening part because I don't believe anything like that. So I will be talking about the hydration part. So it is actually said that watermelon provides quite a lot of hydration to your skin. So that is why our mummy, papa and everyone ask us to have a lot of watermelon. So over here you can see a lot of things are written. You'll get the manufacturing date, the MRP, the expiry date, net weight and everything written over here. So the manufacturing date of this is 10/2019, and it is good for 36 months. And they said that to store it in a cool and dry place, do not to freeze it. You do not put this on your freezer and then you'll be like apply करने के बाद बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. So do not do that. It is strictly said that do not freeze this product. And this is a 50-gram product which costs for rupees 740. And yeah, this never gets on discount on Nykaa. I don't know why, but अगर discount मिला वो भी 10% का मिलता है, not more than that. So let's come on to the inner packaging. So this is a very heavy bottle, a heavy jar, because it's a glass jar, frosted glass jar, and with a steel cap, like with this kind of cap. Also you get a stopper over here, and the product is right over here inside. You can see I have used quite a bit of it, and this is transparent, but it is a transparent product when you apply it, but inside you can see it looks like little bit pinkish, but this smells so good guys. It smells really delicious. So this is all about the product and the packaging. So I'll just tell how this, like how it worked on my skin, because you should know how it works to different skin. By the way, the how to use this product, it is already given here. So if you don't know like how to use a mask or something like that, so you can read the packaging. It's written over here as well as on the packaging of the box. So it is written, apply the mask all over the face and leave it undisturbed for 8 to 10 minutes. For 8 to 10 minutes. Now gently massage off or remove the mask with wet towel. So you can gently massage it in. I wouldn't say to massage it in. You just remove it with a wet towel or a wet tissue. So you can get that glowy hydrated face. I would really say this is the best face mask for dry skin. If you have dry skin, this is going to suit you really nice. If you have oily skin also, this is going to suit you really nice on winters. And if you like if you want a lot of hydration on your skin, you feel like your skin is getting dry or flaky, this is going to be your best friend. And because I have an oily skin, so I use it like twice a month to get that glowy, dewy, soft skin. This product is filled with a lot of hydrating products. Like you get a lot of, where is it? Yeah, you get aqua, hydrolyzed collagen, propylene glycol, hydrogenated castor oil, menthol, and a lot of product. Okay, बहुत सारी चीज़ है. So I'm not that great about chemicals and all, but I can feel the difference in my skin. So I have a oily skin, but this doesn't make my skin really oily. So you're not going to get excess sebum or something like that. So it is going to suit all skin types, I would say, but more suitable to the dry skin, like for a वीक में एक बार यूज़ करने वाले के लिए. तो इट इज़ मोर suitable for dry skin people, but oily skin people can definitely use it, because I am oily skin, acne prone person. You can see breakouts and all, pathetic thing. So obviously if I can use it and it suits my skin, but you need to do a patch test. I would always recommend anyone, before getting a new product, you should always do a patch test, because when you're investing on a product, you don't want to waste it, right? So before investing, always do a patch test and then buy this product. So guys, this was a little bit chota sa demo and chota sa review from my side, how I feel about this product. So if you enjoyed this, do not forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and comment down if you like my video or not. Also hit the bell icon beside it, that chotu sa bell icon beside it, so you do not miss any video that I upload. Till then, stay happy, stay beautiful, and stay healthy. Bye bye.